Namaskar. Our today's topic is the revolt of 1857. India was known for its riches from ancient times. It was famous for its spices, pearls, gold, and silk. Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer, discovered the sea route to India. He reached Calicut in 1498. He got a permission from the ruler of Calicut to carry on trade with India. Soon the Dutch, the French, and the British traders also came to India. A group of 100 merchants of London took permission from Queen Elizabeth I to form the British East India Company. In 1600, the British East India Company received permission to trade in India from the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. They started from Surat and established trading centers in Bombay and Madras. The French also set up a trading company and established centers in Bengal and in Pondicherry. The British fought with the French and defeated them. The Battle of Plassey was fought between British and Nawab Sirajuddaulah in 1757. Sirajuddaulah lost the battle due to treachery of his general Mir Jafar. The British took advantage of the weakness of Indian kings and gained control over India. The injustice of Britishers. They forced the farmers of Bihar to grow indigo, a plant used for making blue dye. Farmers were forced to sell indigo on lower price. The weavers were forced to sell their cloth at lower price. In this way, the Indian cottage industry was also a victim of British greed. The British made unjust laws such as doctrine of lapse. According to this law, if an Indian king died without a heir, his kingdom would be taken over by the British. The revolt of 1857 is called the First War of Independence. 10th May 2007 was celebrated as the 150th anniversary of the revolt of 1857. The cartridges of New Enfield rifle were said to be greased with the fat of cows and pigs. This made the Indian soldiers unhappy as it hurt the sentiments of Hindus and Muslims. The revolt started at Meerut on May 10, 1857. The reasons of revolt: unjust behavior of British towards Indians, unjust law, doctrine of lapse. The new cartridges of New Enfield rifle were said to be greased with the fat of pigs and cows. This hurt the religious sentiments of Hindus and Muslims. The prominent leaders were Tante Tope, Nana Sahib, Peshwa, Kunwar Singh, Liaquat Ali, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Hazrat Mahal of Awadh, General Bakat Khan, etc. They declared Bahadur Shah Zafar as their leader. He was the last Mughal emperor. The British got success in the revolt because they had trained soldiers and superior weapons. On the contrary, the Indian leaders and soldiers were disorganized. The British suppressed the revolt with cruelty. Many Indians were executed or sent to jails. Bahadur Shah Zafar was exiled to Burma. The rule of the East India Company also came to an end. The British government took over the reins of power. At that time, Governor General was called the Viceroy. The revolt created an urge among the Indians to achieve freedom. Thank you.